Hi there, welcome to a daily yoga flow. For that, all you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. To start off, sit comfortably in any posture, half sukhasana or full sukhasana. Close your eyes if you haven't already, hands over your knees, and start to center yourself with your breath. As you inhale, you see your belly going up, and as you exhale, your belly goes in. To feel that, you can place your palms over your chest and belly and just connect with your breath. Stay still, quiet, but breathe consciously. Continue breathing with all the awareness. Breathe in and out. Feel how your body inhales and exhales. And once you feel ready, start making some gentle movements and open your eyes. Now place your left hand over the right knee and look towards the right side at the back. Change the side. This will help you in beginning with the twisting of your spine. Now bring hands in front of the body. Start rotating the wrists and gently open your arms to the side. Keep your hands straight in your control and now start moving them in the other direction and eventually let your shoulders form it up a little bit more. Open them to the sides and then bring back to center with self-hugging. Again, open them to the sides and then eventually start moving them round-wise. It could be clock or anti-clockwise. Make big chunks of circle over here. Breathe in and out nicely. And then place your palms at the back of your head. As you inhale, create a gentle back bend and look back. With the exhale, you fold forward. Inhale and exhale, release your hands. As you breathe in and out, move your neck from side to side very gently. Maybe tuck it in and then take all the way to the back with a very control over your neck. Very, very gently and feel how your body feels about it. Then eventually raise your hand above your head and then exhale at the heart center. Inhale, bring it all the way up. Exhale to the center. Inhale all the way up. And then hold. Breathe for 2 to 3 rounds. And then at the heart center again, breathe in and out for 2 to 3 times. Now from here, come on all fours. Your hips and knees are in a line, shoulders and palms in a line. Inhale, look back. Exhale, look at the navel, curl your spine. Inhale, extend your spine. Exhale, curl, chin to chest. You can keep your toes tucked in and out throughout. Inhale and exhale. Now with the exhale, extend the arms forward, hips slightly up and reorganize and settle yourself by creating all the extension in your shoulder and making it more and more deep by lowering the arms and holding it up here while continuing to breathe. And then with exhale, come up. Now, as you inhale, extend the right hand, use the left hand again, and right hand in 90-degree to practice thread the needle. Now change the hands, extend right, left comes to the other side, hold it up there and breathe in and out. And with exhale, come on all fours back. As you inhale, lift off your knees from the yoga mat, lower down the heels, and start paddling one knee at a time by having full control over your arms. Continuing to breathe and holding up core engagement while paddling the knees, and keep the spine straight, no rounding your back, and breathe nicely. And then eventually hold up the downward facing dog. Look in between the big toes or in between the arms or at the navel. And eventually with exhale, lower down your knees. Again, push it back. Inhale, lower down your knees in bear hold. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, exhale. Now with inhale, bring the right foot next to the right palm and lower down the left knee. Hold the lizard pose and then bring the right foot back. Similarly, bring the left foot forward, lower down the right knee, hold the lizard pose, and then come back to downward facing dog. Now fold the right knee, rotate outwards, forward, backward, while having strong arms and keeping the left leg strong. Now this time fold the left knee and rotate outwards. And then eventually bring the leg down. Now lower down both the knees together. And now bring the right foot in between both the palms. When comfortable, have hands at the hips or use wall to make yourself comfortable. Now place the right elbow over the thigh and extend the left arm and look beyond and then come back. Now interlock fingers at the back of the hip and give a good nice stretch and bring the right foot back. Bring the left foot in between both the palms. Left elbow over the left thigh. Extend the right hand. Exhale. Interlock fingers at the back of the hips. Extend. And then lower down your arms. Bring the left foot back. And now from here, fold the right knee and get into pigeon pose by extending the left leg at the back. Have strong arms here. Lower down your hips. Use any support if you have to. And then hands at the ground. Breathe in and out and hold the pigeon pose. And then eventually lift up your upper body, and then release the pose and change the side. Fold the left knee and get into the pigeon pose from the left side. Extend the right leg actively back. Keep pushing the hips down. Have hand support and get into a stretch where you hold it up and continue breathing. Breathe nicely and then eventually lift up your upper body and release the pose and get back on all fours. Now, from here, lie down on your belly over the yoga mat. Hands next to your shoulder. Fold both the knees. Grab both the legs from the shin bone and inhale and get into a bow pose. Keep your chest open, shoulder open. Breathe in and out. Exhale, release, and extend legs at the back. Now hands relax to the sides of the body. Now from here, change the side and lie back on your back over the yoga mat. Now bring the feet next to hips. Hands for the support. Inhale, lift up your hips into bridge pose. Use any support if you need to and hold it up there and breathe. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, release. Now at this point, fold the knees close to your chest. Be relaxed with your neck and hands next to your body and gently stretch legs to the sides of the yoga mat. Feet are mat width apart. Hands over the belly or at the chest. Breathe in and out. Hands next to the body. And close your eyes and stop making any physical movement if possible. Use this time to relax completely. And feel all the subtle changes which might have occurred after this practice. Breathe nicely. Inhale, you feel your belly goes up, and as you exhale, your belly comes in. Let your entire leg, feet, back of the leg, especially back of the knee, thighs, front of the leg, knees, shin bone, calf muscle, feeling relaxed. Your lower spine, middle spine, upper spine, shoulders, collarbones, chest, belly, upper belly, middle belly, lower belly, groin are feeling relaxed. Hips are feeling relaxed. Your pelvic floor is feeling relaxed. Your hands, the whole hand, the palm, both palms, fingers, tip of the fingers are feeling relaxed. Let your head, the back of the head, front of the head, top of the head, facial muscles, The entire face, your eyes are feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Let your entire body feel relaxed. Be present with your breath and composed from this practice. And whenever you feel comfortable enough, relaxed enough, starting to prepare to make some gentle movements. Stretch your body in a line by bringing both the legs together, keeping the hands interlocked over your head. Use support and sit back from either side of your body. Sit comfortably. Take few more rounds of breath and tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to show up daily and choosing your body, making some good choices for your this blessed body. And whenever you feel ready, rub your palms, gather all the energy, hands over your face and body, and gently open your eyes and look it between the palms. And if you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.